Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be showing you every details on how I made this beautiful wig, from this to this, and from this one to this one. Stay tuned, I will be right back. You needed to see this wig when it came new. It was in a pretty bad shape. I mean, when I say bad shape, I mean bad shape. To this extent, some of my customers was like, what the hell are you doing with this? What do you want to use this for? But just like I always tell them, I said, don't worry, when I finish my work, you will see what I'm doing. Okay. It's quite unfortunate that I lost the first video. The video I did when it came new. The video I did while detangling it, when I was combing it with my big tooth comb. I lost the video. Even the one I did when I was stretching it with hand dryer, I also lost it. I don't know why. I don't know how. I have been searching for it, but I couldn't find it. So the first thing I did was to detangling it. After detangling it, I stretch it. I use my hand dryer to stretch it. Then after stretching it, I started using my stretcher, to smoothen it properly. Okay. Alright, just like I always say, if you watch some of my videos I did while handling synthetic, you will notice that I always say each time you are dealing with synthetic, always lower the heat of your stretcher. Always put it to the lowest heat, okay? Because synthetic is quite different from a hair blend or human hair. So synthetic can easily burn. Alright, so when dealing with it, you need to take extra precaution. Alright, so always lower your stretcher each time you're stretching a synthetic. So that is what I'm doing. I lower the stretcher and I'm stretching the wig because it's synthetic. And when the stretcher gets too hot, I will unplug it. Okay, so that is it. This video is quite interesting, so I would like you to watch it to the end because you will have a lot to gain from it. And also don't forget to give me a big thumb if you find the video very interesting indeed. Okay, I'm done stretching the wig. You can see it's already looking beautiful. It's already looking beautiful. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to start curling it. And I'm going to start curling it with my rollers, my take comb, and my bobby pin. What I'm going to do is to cut it layer by layers and comb it and smoothen it, each one that I cut. Then I will start rolling it with my rollers, just like this. Then after that, I will pin it with my bobby pin. I'm done rolling, so now I'm going to put it in the hot water. I have already boiled my hot water. Okay, so I am putting my hot water in a bucket. Okay, I've already boiled the water down. Before I finish rolling it, I make sure that I put water on fire first. So now I am going to add my conditioner inside the hot water. Okay, so the conditioner will help to soften it. Remember, it's synthetic we are dealing with. Okay, and dipping it inside the hot water direct. So you need to add your conditioner. Any choice of your conditioner will serve. Okay, so right now I'm soaking the hair in a hot water. Okay, and while soaking it, I'm flipping it back and front. Okay, so that the hot water will touch everywhere. All right, I hope you understand what I mean. I will soak it for a little while, for about a minute. Okay, a minute or two. So I will bring it out. Okay, and dry it. Okay, when you are doing this, you need to dry it. In fact, when you are drying your any of your wig, you need to dry it. There is no need of using hand dryer or hot dryer on it. You need to allow air to dry it. Okay, so it can take about 2 to 3 days to dry, depending on the season we are into at that moment. Okay, but you need to air dry it. So now I'm going to bring it out. Okay, and after that I will hang it to air dry it for some days. And you are going to see the amazing work when this wig is dried. Alright, right now the wig have dried. Today is the 3rd day. Okay, and it has completely dried. Okay, so I am going to be losing the coils and see it bouncing. Are you seeing that bouncing coils? Can you see it? It's beautiful. My light is not shining enough, but don't worry, you will see it properly. You will definitely see it. Let me just lose the rollers first. Before I forget, if this is your first time to come across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do me way to subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to learn from me. And to my returner subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I love you all. Right now, I'm done losing it. I'm done removing the rollers. So I'm going to be smoothing the closure with my hand dryer and my brush. But if you have your hot comb and you feel like using it, it's still okay. But you need to make sure that it won't be too hot, okay? Remember, we are dealing with synthetic. Anything hot can definitely damage it. Alright? So after that, I'm going to be combing out the coils a little because I don't want the coils to be too full like that. And here comes the final look of our wig. It's looking like a new wig now, isn't that so? Alright guys, this is the end of this video. See you next time. Bye bye.